Okay, before you get going on that valve, you want to make sure you take off this plastic face. You don't want to be melting anything. So take that off. Yours may have a screw, it may not. I'm also going to take out this cartridge. See how it's plastic? If you were to heat this up with this stuff inside, you'd probably ruin your cartridge, have to get a new one, or it might be stuck to the metal. So set that aside in a safe spot. And now you're left with all metal. So again, side that says up, we're not going to be messing with that right now. It says up, that one goes down. We're going to be messing with the bottom part. So basically all we're going to be doing is soldering this piece of copper that we just worked on into the end, make a nice connection, and then that should be good. I'm actually going to make this, there's really no need for it to be that long. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter, and then I'll clean up the new end and we'll solder that on. Alright, we're back with a little bit shorter piece. I think that'll work a little bit better. Again, bottom, make sure that slides in nicely. Same process here as before. We're going to get some water-soluble flux. And the reason you use water-soluble is because you're going to have flux in your pipes. And that way, once you run water through the pipes, the flux leaves, it gets absorbed into the water, and then out it goes. But if it was because there are non-water soluble fluxes, you would have to then flush out all the pipes with some sort of chemical that binds to that flux and then gets it out of your pipes. So this is just a lot easier. So go ahead, get a nice thin layer. Clean out that inside a little bit. Awesome. Move everything aside that you don't need. Make that hook on the end of your solder go about a 1/2 inch. Then, also don't forget, clean out the inside of the fitting, or of the valve. And we're going to put that in, give it a little twist. So here, I'm going to be heating about right there, and then I'll be touching on the opposite end with my silver solder.